Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to keep your digital life running smoothly. Today, we're diving into how to empty the recycle bin for all users in 2025. With Windows updates making systems more efficient, managing storage across multiple user accounts is easier than ever, but it still requires a few precise steps. Let's get started. First off, why bother emptying the recycle bin for all users? Well, in 2025, Windows has enhanced its file management features, but the recycle bin can still hog valuable disk space. If you're an admin on a shared computer, clearing it for everyone helps free up gigabytes and keeps things organized. Remember, this process requires administrative privileges, so make sure you're logged in as an admin before proceeding. Step 1. Open the command prompt as an administrator. You can do this by searching for CMD in the Start menu, right-clicking on it, and selecting Run as Administrator. This gives you the power to access system-wide files. Next, in the command prompt window, type the command road $recycle bin and hit enter. Whoa, hold on, before you do that, a quick warning. This will permanently delete all files in the recycle bin for the current drive. If you have multiple drives, you'll need to repeat this for each one, like $recycle bin for drive D. In 2025 versions of Windows, you might see an option for a confirmation prompt, so keep an eye out for that to avoid accidents. For a more user-friendly approach, you can use PowerShell. Open it as admin by searching for PowerShell and running it with elevated rights. Then, enter the command get child item $recycle bin force, remove item recurse force. This does the same thing but with more control if you're comfortable with scripts. Once that's done, check your drive space by right-clicking on your drive in File Explorer and selecting Properties. You should see some freed up space. Pro tip: always back up important files before deleting anything, even from the recycle bin. There you have it. Your system is now clutter-free for all users. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more 2025 tech hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.